This is the 2020 Sport Glide, and I just wanted to talk about some of the custom upgrades that I did to this bike, the few special add-ons that I've done just to make it, suitable for my style of riding. These Harleys, you could pretty much do whatever you want to them. So let's go from the top down. So these are the Lucky 13's handlebars, and they come from Lucky Dave's. Also added on these grips from Harley Davidson. This is from the Dominion line. I changed these hand levers to black because they were chrome originally. Also put on this Memphis Shades fairing. It's a little taller than the stock one, and I personally think it's a little cooler. And on these handlebars, I also added on a little handlebar bag from Thrash and Supply. Alright, moving down, we changed the speedometer cluster. This was chrome, and now it's black. And a little tank strap. It came with a tank strap. The original one was like a plastic matte black looking thing. Now this one's kind of cooler, and also plastic, but actually the other one was rubber, not even plastic. This one's plastic, the other one was rubber. But I personally think it's cooler. And I changed the gas caps to black. They were chrome as well. Alright, moving down, we got the Saddlemen step-up seat. I really like it. Definitely keeps me from sliding anywhere. And that little back part, I don't know the proper name for it, that just like holds me in. And if you can see over here, these Fender Supports, they used to be chrome. I also changed them to black. I'm talking about what the saddlebag is connected to right here. See this little bar that goes along the fender? That was chrome. Changed it to black. And and the license plate. This is not a stock license plate. This license plate holder is from Cyclevision, and I think they did it pretty well. It's a lot cleaner, I personally think. Comes with LED lights, blinkers on both sides, and they're just red running lights when the blinker is not activated, and the top is a running light, and they work as brake lights as well. They all work as brake lights. These two are blinkers, and when they're not activated, they're brake lights, but everything is a brake light when the blinkers aren't being used. Alright, on this side, what do we got going over here? Let's see. Oh, we changed some of the chrome on the engine. If you can see, the camshaft cover is now black. That used to be chrome, along with the tappets and the piston rod covers. The push rod covers. That all has been changed to black. And the transmission side cover has been changed to black. Along with that, it has Two Brothers Racing exhaust. And I also put a Stage 2 in it. The Stage 2 is the power booster, because that's just my style of riding. I like to keep my RPMs in the high end, and I pass a lot of cars on the freeway. Also threw on these highway bars just for some protection in case the bike leans over. And I think that's it. Pretty sure that's it. I didn't do the blinkers black. I should have. I totally forgot. Don't know why I forgot to do the blinkers when I did my handlebars, but I'm not going back into it. Oh yeah, the headlight trim is also black. The headlight trim, which is this little ring around it, it used to be chrome, and I made that black. So I really try to black out a lot of stuff as much as I can. Primary cover all the way down here is black, and the shift lever rod is now black. And I also threw on these Moon's MC foot pegs, which are really good in keeping your feet in one place. Haven't changed the shift lever yet. Haven't found the one that I wanted. It's still chrome, but it's on the way. Other than that, I'm pretty sure that was everything. Pretty sure I got everything now. So let's take another quick wide shot so you guys can check it out. Do a little walk around. So this is the 2020 Club Style Sport Glide. The only thing that I still would like to change are I'd like to get the bags painted black, a glossy black, because they are in a matte color, and that scuffs up really easily, and just, I don't know. And the rims, maybe one day I'll either change them or get those powder coated black. Alright, so I'm going to put the camera down and start the bike so you guys can hear how it sounds from a distance, and then maybe we'll take a ride so you can see what it feels like to be on it. Alright, I'm going to put this thing down. Alright, so that's what it sounds like. So let's take a ride and you guys can see how it feels. All right, let's go. So the stage 2 really kicked it up a notch. I was on a camp out trip on a motorcycle, and I brought the wife along with like a week's worth of supplies, and this was for one night. So I definitely overpacked. But what I noticed is that the bike kind of lagged a little bit in performance. So I needed to throw in a stage 2. And now I think I'm okay. Sometimes I'll be going like 90 miles an hour, not even realize it because it's just so smooth. I'll look down and I'll be like, oh no, 90? I better slow down. Might be 100. Look at that. It definitely likes the higher RPMs a lot better. The performance on this thing is perfect now. I personally wouldn't go to a stage 4 because I mean the brakes on this thing it's only a single disc brake, unlike some of the other bikes that they have, which is like a dual disc brake. Some of their 114s, like the Fat Bob or the Lowrider S, they both got dual disc brakes. Extra braking power for that 114, but this is still a 107 with a stage 2, just enough power for what I need. Here, I'll show you the takeoff again. This can't go over, you know, like 50. I could start fast. Ooh, we're at 70 already and it's 3rd gear. See, I can't. It's crazy. The power in it now. I love it. Perfect now.